Racing just started. We have Golden Money. Break weekly at the start. Siklag moving up on the outside. Key Lager. My Sweet Swanee. Pure Energy. Gomarins. Exciting. While Typhoon Doding is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn we have Golden Money. And by about 3 lengths moving up now at the outside is My Sweet Swanee. Down on the inside. Siklag. Key Lager in the middle. Exciting, rushing up. Down on the inside is Pure Energy. Gomarins comes next. While Typhoon Doding is still racing in less. Back to the leader. We have Golden Money by about half length. My Sweet Swanee in second. Moving up now at the outside. Exciting. Siklag is racing in fourth. Pure Energy comes next. Then followed her by Key Lager. Gomarins comes next. While Typhoon Doding is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Golden Money moving up now at the outside. Exciting. My Sweet Swanee. Siklag now trying to get closer in third. And as they swing for home, we have Exciting. Down on the inside is Golden Money moving up on the outside. Siklag down on the inside. Pure Energy. My Sweet Swanee. Last 100 meters. We have Exciting. Pure Energy slipping down on the inside. We have Exciting. Pure Energy takes command, and finally Pure Energy. Exciting. My Sweet Swanee. And then comes Siklag. Golden Money for your pentapecta.
Wambi.